Hi, welcome to the discussion of conic sections. Under this, we are discussing now construction of parabola. Here, what is the given problem? Construct a parabola with base 80 mm length and the axis 50 mm height. Draw tangent to the curve at a point 30 mm from the base. Also locate the focus and directrix to the parabola. So here, the given data is base length is 80 mm and axis height is 50 mm. For construction of the parabola, we are going to use rectangle method. So with the given base length as well as axis height, we will construct the rectangle. $80 mm is the base length and 50 mm is the axis height. Construct the rectangle. Then at the middle of the base, draw axis line. Say A, B, C, D, E, F. EF is the axis height, AB is the base length. After drawing the rectangle, then divide AF into some number of equal parts. Say 4 parts. Here we may use acute angle line method if it's not possible to divide directly. Say 1, 2, 3. Similarly, divide AD also into same number of equal divisions. For this, we have to use acute angle line method for dividing this into equal parts. Say 1, 2, 3. Join the starting point to A. Say 1, 2, 3. After that, join E3, E2, E1. Say E1, E2, E3. Similarly, divide BC also into same number of divisions. Say 4, 5, 6. Then join E4, E5, E6. Then divide BF also into same number of equal divisions. 4, 5, 6. Then parallel to EF, that is axis, passing through 1, draw perpendicular to base, and it is going to meet E1 at P1 at 2. At 3, also draw line parallel to axis. Similarly, at 4, draw line such a way that this line is going to meet E4 line. At 5, draw perpendicular to base so that perpendicular is going to meet E5. At 6, this line is going to meet at E6 at point P6. Say P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. Then passing through all points, starting from A, passing through all points, say P1, P2, P3, E, P4, P5, P6 and B, draw a smooth curve. This is the parabola. After that, we have to draw normal and tangent to the curve. That normal and tangent to the curve is at a distance 30 mm from the base. So from the base, move the drafter in such a way that this measurement, say 30 mm, name that point as M. Name this point as M. Passing through M, parallel to base, draw a line towards the axis EF line, say R. After that, with compass, ER as a radius, E as a center, draw an arc. Name that point as T. Then join T and M. This becomes the tangent. Perpendicular to tangent, normal. Then how to locate focus and directrix to this parabola? For that, what we have to do? Say this point is M and this is T. M and T. Then what we have to do is bisect M and T. Bisect M and T. This bisecting line is going to meet axis at F. Axis at F. Then this is the focus point. This is the focus point. What we have done is we have to bisect M and T. That bisecting line is going to meet the axis at EF. Then EF as a radius, E as a center, draw an arc. Name this point as O. Then perpendicular to axis passing through O. Say PQ. PQ is the directrix. PQ is the directrix, F is the focus. Now eccentricity E is equal to EF by OE, which is equal to 1. Again I am repeating how to find the focus and directrix to the parabola. After drawing the tangent is to be extended towards this axis, no? So M and T is to be bisected. That bisecting line is going to pass through the axis at F. That will become the focus. Then EF as a radius, E as a center, draw an arc on the extended portion of the axis. Then we'll get O. Perpendicular to axis, draw a line, then becomes the directrix. That's about the construction of parabola and locating the focus and directrix to the parabola.